think this place is open. Get a cup of tea here. This is pork and... We've got pretty much a row each. It's very quiet. Yeah, it's very quiet. I'm hoping... Yeah, you were impressed. Couldn't leave me alone. Good evening, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It is Friday. Just ended the last vlog, yesterday's vlog, or a few days ago, and we are at East Midlands Airport. We're heading to Tenerife. Not for a week, not for 2 weeks, but just for a few hours. When I say a few hours, we're coming back Sunday. So we're flying out tomorrow, and come back Sunday. I'm leaving Sapphire in Tenerife, and she's there for a week with Mummy. So then me and Zarina will fly back on the Sunday. And yeah, it's going to be quite tiring, but we're just stopping at the Jurors Inn at the East Midlands Airport. We booked this as part of a package with a stay and park. It worked out cheaper. 4-star hotel, and about 60 odd quid. It's not too bad to park your car and stay in the hotel for the night. It's a really nice hotel. Let's turn it around. Whee! Hello, Safi. This is a room. It's a nice room. This. It's a big room, a really big room. It's a bit cold. I've put heating on. It is a bit nippy. We can order food in as well. So yes, we got some menus. Oh, we've got some menus here.
Dad, we could get
or some takeaway.
Indian. Oh, Daddy, let's get a Chinese styled pizza.
Chinese style pizza. We'll have a look in a minute.
Let's get Indian.
So we'll get his head down, and we've got another morning flight. I think we'll fly about 6 AM or 7 AM. It's quite early. And we'll see how it goes, so we'll see you a little bit later. Good morning, guys, good morning. It's 4:45 and we've just got up. Well, we've been up for 15 minutes. Zarina's ready. Safi's hair needs doing. But slept really well. I think we got about 6 hours sleep, which is pretty good for us. And these are the comfiest beds ever. These are really comfy beds. They're better than the Premier Inn ones. Really comfy. Really comfy. Nice. So we're going to get ready now. That's a takeaway from last night. We've got too much food. Too much food. But we're nice. Right, Safi, I need to do your hair. Because we're going to Tenerife. We're in the airport. And everything's closed. Car hire. But it is only 5 AM, so it's going to be closed, isn't it? To be fair. There's a few flights flying today. Greg's closed. Very quiet. I think we're the only people here. This is what it's like to fly during lockdown. I don't even know where to go. I think we go through there. Oh. No, we don't go that. This is like arrivals. We need departures. Okay, so we went in the wrong door. We went in the arrivals. We're with the departures now. It's still very quiet. That is departures across there. I hope it's open. I've not seen anybody else yet. I think we're the only people here. I found one other person. That's it. Really quiet. Just opening up.
Anyway, I don't even remember being a baby.
Are you ready? Let's go through here.
I don't think I've never been a baby. I'm just old enough.
We've just cleared security. There's literally no one here apart from some staff that are going through security. Morning. Morning. Boots is open. Was that my wire? Is that my wire?
Yeah, you dropped it.
This is duty free. It's all closed here. Very closed. Very closed. What's very closed? Very much closed. You've got Boots there. That's the only store open. It's quite sad really. Oh, we got life. Somebody else there. We have life. I think this place is open. Yes, this place is open, so you can get a cup of tea here. This is pork and pickle. We sat here before, so that's open. Ryanair across there. Frankie and Benny's is closed. It's been closed since March. We're on the flight. Safi's getting comfortable. There's about 30 people on here, less than 30 people. We've got pretty much a row each. It's very quiet. You need to wear a mask if you are aged 12 or above.
Keep it on because it's freezing.
It's cold. It's one with it on. Well, she's 11, so she doesn't need to wear it. Yeah, it's very quiet. I'm hoping they do tea and coffee, but they might not do today. It's really quiet, but apparently this is the last flight. This is the last Saturday flight from East Midlands. I think, I'm not sure. But apparently this last flight to Tenerife from East Midlands for a bit. I don't know how true that is. Forgot to bring the camera out, so I'm using the phone. Walk on this side because there's a supermarket down here. Headed to the bar now. Got some posters, all laminated. So, and I'm working tonight. Get something to eat. There's not many people on the island. The airport's ain't busy. There's 20 people on our flight. Not many at all, to be honest. And it's very quiet down here. I'm gonna have a walk around tonight. I might do a live. I might do a live tonight. We'll see.
You could do.
Could do a live. I might do a live tonight. So just show you how quiet the island is. Everything's closed. It's nice, but it's quiet. You feel for the businesses. Chemist just there. Tenerife Excursions, that's open. There's a supermarket on your left hand side just down here. That we're gonna go to. Oh, it's nice to see you, Del. Have you missed me? Have you? We're back for a day. Just a day.
I'm back for a day next week, and
You're back for about 8 hours next week. Come on, Sapphire. You stopping here all week with Mummy?
Only 7 days.
7 days, that's a week.
But I don't like that.
I've come to Heads and Tails for dinner. I've got some scampi. Serena's gone for the vegan breakfast. And what have you got? A baguette?
I've got a corned beef, cheese and onion baguette.
And a beer. Sappy's gone for the usual spaghetti bolognese. She's got a boyfriend. Sappy got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Another one.
Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome to another Tenerife vlog. It's a Sunday and we fly back today. We actually only came for 2 days because I brought Sapphire out here, so she's staying out here for a bit, and I'm flying back tonight with Zarina. So we're going to go to Siam Mall. I was working last night, as you can see from the videos. I did a bit of work as a tribute, and
I'm gonna watch Dragalicious with my mum, but my dad and my sister aren't because they're going back to England.
Yeah, Dragalicious are on tonight at the bar, so but we won't see them. But I've been working here as part of my other business as well, so killing 2 birds with 1 stone really. We nip out to Siam Mall, and I think Della wants to buy some clothes for Zarina. So the girls have gone shopping. I think we're going to go to 100 Montaditas. It's like a sandwich place that do chips, fries and all sorts. Come on, Sapphire. We're actually near the Magma Centre. So most of you who will recognise it, who are familiar with Tenerife, will know exactly where we are. It's the roundabout here. That's to San Eugenio, and this is the Magma Centre. They have a lot of concerts here, a lot of shows, and that's the police station just down there. So this is Siam Mall, just over the bridge. That's Siam Park. We're going to have a walk around. It's nice, 26 degrees, it's lovely and warm. Got a bus, number 424 bus coming down. It's a great bus service. This is the green buses, it's called Titsa green buses, and they're very reliable. We've got a great bus service over here. That direction is towards Veronica's, Las Americas. This is Las Americas, but that's towards Veronica's. This is the roundabout towards the motorway, and that is the police station. And it's about a 5-minute walk for us. It's not too bad. Be careful if you do walk up here, especially with kids, because it's quite dangerous. Especially over here. Whoa. So be careful. Right, let's keep walking, Safi.
Okay.
That's Siam Park across there. That's currently closed. There's no opening date yet. I know there's a few vloggers or a few bloggers in Tenerife saying that they're going to do a press release, but there's nothing confirmed yet, and I don't think anything will be until probably next March, April. quite busy. There's a lot of cars in the car park. We'll see how busy the restaurants are. I will have a bit of a tour around of Siam Mall. Not been here for ages really. It's a place we never come to. Looks like they've got like trampolines up there. Starbucks. This is Siam Mall. There's meant to be like a one-way system, but I think people ignore it. So you've got 2 entrances and 1 exit. Oh, it looks quite busy. Oh, the Christmas trees are up. Oh, the decor's up. Nice. Christmas decorations. Oh, they're nice. That's a busy supermarket. Really busy. Right, let's go this way, Sapphire. We're going to go to H&M first because that's where Mum's gone. H&M. Oh, they're nice. Fantasia. Oh, I like that. I love that. Love it. I want that. Small. Medium. Oh, I want it. I want that. I'm going to see if they've got any more of them. I love it. You've got Beatles as well. I'm not a Beatles fan. Oh, Garfield tops. They're nice. Garfield tops. SpongeBob. Seen them before. That's quite nice. Or is it? What do you think, the guys? Will it suit me? No, I can't get that. Oh, that Marvel. I've got a Marvel top already. Quite like that one. That's nice. This is a massive store. Massive store. You've got H&M Home down there. It's massive. Looks bigger than the ones in the UK. I'm looking for Del Boy. Ah, she's over here, I think. I've just tried ringing him. Hello. Hola, amigos. I've got to say, they've got some beautiful clothes in here. Really nice clothes.
I like this top and these are matching.
Oh yeah? Is Mummy treating you?
I can't find my size, but they look cute.
That yellow's a bit gaudy. I don't like the yellow.
Oh, I like
I like mustard, but I don't like yellow. Not clothing wise.
They don't look like
Gonna sit down here, wait for the girls. Outdoor stage, all set up for social distancing, COVID safe. Oh, that's the trampoline place. Quite big. Panoramas. It's nice up here. You've got a subway as well. Subway. You've got something for everyone here. I think we're going to go here. 100 montaditos. All sandwiches a euro. We've started. We've got hot dog for Safi. That were €1. I've got 2 of these. These were €2 for 2. I've got garlic chicken and barbecue kebab chicken. You get crisps for free. We've got some fries coming. We've got some cheese poppers.
I'm having fries and cheese poppers.
Fries and cheese poppers. Fries and cheese poppers. No, that's where Michael. We've got 3 lots of chips. with all sauces. They're €1 each on a Sunday and Wednesday. We've got about 30 odd cheese poppers. That sun's a bit bright, Saf. I can't sit in the sun. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Lights are going up. Put some more lights up. We'll have a walk around. Shall we go for a walk around? Yeah. Been shopping? What have we been buying now? No crop tops. Crop tops are banned.
Not that short though.
Get the mask on. Get the mask on.
Chopstick Express.
Put some more lights up. Looking good. What this way? Come on, Sapphire. You get a small sub of the day for $2.50. That's bargain. That I'll be up here in daytime, Del Boy. Noodle.
I don't go out to eat when I'm on my own. I don't.
Well, you should do.
Well, why?
You're in bed all day.
Why would I go out? I can't be on my own.
Well, I would. I'm always out and about on my own.
Not like you.
That's a Tex-Mex. Cactus, cactus, nice. We'll have a walk around. You got Hackett. Oh, another a chopsticks place. Chinese. I'll go for a water box at €7. That's nice. Healthy.
It's like that other place that we used to go to. Panda.
Panda, it is like Panda. Oh, look at tree. That tree's nice. Someone ringing me on FaceTime? No. Shoe shop. Let's have a look at this tree. Oh, that's nice. A lot of the children's activities are closed. The Dino Jeep Adventure. Is that where they fly around the mall on them motorised scooter things? It's like a fun fair. That's a golf. Let's have a walk around. It used to be a climbing wall at one time. They've got rid of that. That's gone. Oh, you've got a golf. You've got some oh, it's a Jeep Adventure, so you drive around a Jeep. Cool. Obviously the kids are not bothered. We're going to nip in at Pull and Bear. Oh, Stranger Things tops, they're nice. 20% off them. That's nice. And that is 20% off. So I'm assuming that is about 12 euros. I like that. I like it. So I've managed to get my size in the Stranger Things t-shirt, and I've also seen this hoodie. It's about 12 quid. Nice thick hoodie for the UK. It's cold. And have you seen this VW? This is cool. This VW camper, and they've converted it into a shoe stand. It's a really good replication. It's really nice. As you can see, guys, it's not real, but it's a good prop. I think it's an excellent prop. Even the fuel cap. It's quiet in here. It is quiet. Everything's on sale. 20% off, 30% off. Some good sales on. Just been shopping at Pull & Bear. Got quite a bit because Zarina saw something she liked, so she got that. And just in Hyperdino, it's quite reasonable. It's not expensive in here. It's quite cheap. So Adele's get some shopping for the week. Then she's coming home next week for a few hours. Then back to Tenerife again. I've got so many flights booked. Sapphire. Don't be touching everything. Got a lot of stuff in here. A lot of treats. Chocolate biscuits. Dell's on the biscuit aisle. She loves biscuits. All she lives on is biscuits when I'm not here. That's all she has, biscuits. Biscuits and tea. Milk, you want some milk?
Yeah.
We have, there's so much milk. We always go for this one at 57. That one at 57. Grab a couple of them for Mum. Please. Might be easy just to get 6. Oh no, get a 2.
I can't carry the 6. Oh, there's only one out.
No, oh, there's a. You might have to open a packet.
Let's have just a full packet.
No, you won't carry them.
I can't carry that.
And I'm not carrying it with my bad leg. We're on the flight now. Got a whole row to herself.